Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will discuss one year-end activity. Here we will see like how to copy the number ranges to next fiscal year. So like when we go to the next fiscal year, we have to copy the number ranges from the previous fiscal year. So instead of maintaining like one by one or copying from the source, you can simply copy the number ranges to the next fiscal year. So go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Go to financial accounting here, financial accounting global settings, document, and go to document number ranges and copy to fiscal year. Click on continue here. So here you have to enter the company code, number ranges, range, then the source fiscal year and then the next fiscal year. So here you can see like for my company code of 70575 when I go to FBN1N, I have created only for the fiscal year 2025. So next I have to copy these number ranges to the fiscal year 2026. So I can go here, transaction code OBH2, then press enter, click on continue. I will enter my company code here. I'll give the number ranges range here 0, 0 to 99, and I'll give the source fiscal year here and the target fiscal year. So my target fiscal year will be 2026. Then click on execute. Yes, confirm the changes. Now you can see in the message, these are the number ranges added to the fiscal year 2026. So this is mainly year-end activity you have to perform, like copy the number ranges to the next fiscal year. So once again, I go to the transaction code FBN1. I enter here company code. Once I go to intervals, now here I can see the number ranges are available for both the fiscal year 2025 and 26. So by this way you can perform this activity at the time of year end closing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.